मैम अंश नहीं आएगा आज क्लास में।
Ansh will not come or Dia also will not come. They both told that they are not going to join today. But now this same routine only we are going to follow. Okay. So whatever your time, just manage your time according to this. Got it? This will be our final routine now. So let's start with our class for the today. Okay. Now yesterday we did the question number up to 11.23. Today we are going to do from the question number 11.24. So question number 24 says write the names of reagents and equations for the preparation of the ethers by Williamson synthesis. Now in this particular what it is saying that we need to write down the reagent name, we need to write down the equation that by what using what the things we have prepared the ether, but our name reaction, our synthesis should be done with the help of the Williamson synthesis only. Now first of all we should know that what is the Williamson synthesis. In the case of the Williamson synthesis, your question number 24. In the case of the Williamson synthesis, what we was having the RONA means you are going to take any sodium oxide plus any halide and you was getting the ether. If you have taken a unsymmetrical over here, you have not taken the carbon atom same, then you are going to take obtain the unsymmetrical ether over here plus your sodium halide. Now this particular reaction, if you look over here, so your oxygen is having the lone pairs and what is going to happen? This is going to react on attack on the oxygen and it will provide us the ether. This particular reaction is going to follow the SN2 mechanism. And the very important thing is what? Which you need to remember. This is favorable when this halide, which you are going to take, alkyl halide, is going to be primary, means it should be a first degree. Got it? Now the first question says that we need to obtain the your 1 propoxy propane. Now in this case, in the first one, what we need, propoxy हमें चाहिए and propane भी. It means that both are going to have the 3 carbon atoms. So what we are saying, CH3, CH2, CH2, O plus you are going to take, sorry, CH2, CH2, CH3. This particular product you people require. So how we are going to obtain this? For this particular, as it is a it is a symmetrical ether. So what we have done? We have taken the CH3, CH2, CH2ONA over here as the alkyl halide. Again we have taken the CH3, CH2, CH2Br. When you are going to make them react over here, what is going to happen? NaBr is going to eliminate. So क्या बचा आपके पास? CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So we have obtained our product in this condition. Let's look the second part. In the second part, it says that we require the ethoxy benzene. अब ethoxy benzene का मतलब क्या हो गया? Ethoxy benzene means OC2H5. This is your ethoxy benzene. हमें ये चाहिए. Now, in the starting, I have told you that whenever we require ethers, what we require? We require to take the primary alkyl halide. It means that हमारा जो ये वाला ग्रुप है, इस वाले ग्रुप के लिए what you are going to do? You are going to take it as the alkyl halide. Now let's look. Benzene ring के लिए we are going to take the benzene ring, ONA, that is your sodium phenoxide, plus you are going to take the C2H5Br. Now what is going to happen over here in this particular reaction? Your NaBr is going to eliminate out. When it is going to eliminate out, we will be left with the OC2H5. So its name will be what? ये first position पे होगा. So it is going to be your ethoxybenzene. Okay. Coming to the second part. The second part says you 2-methyl propane. अब आपको पहले ये पता होना चाहिए कि 2-methyl propane क्या है. Let's look that. CH3 C CH3. Propane का मतलब it is going to have the 3 carbon atoms, and then it is saying at the second position methoxy, and at the second position only methyl group. Got it? We require this particular. अब यहाँ पे what is going to happen that if we want a methoxy, it means कि ये वाला जो group है हमें कहाँ से मिलेगा? This we are going to get from the halide group. Okay? और जो ये आपका remaining group है along this O, this you are going to get from the butoxide, because ये 4 carbon atoms हो रहे हैं. So what we are required to do? We are required to do a CH3C CH3O Na CH3 plus CH3Br. अब इसकी नेमिंग क्या हो गई? It is going to be a sodium butoxide, and this is the methyl bromide. Now what is going to happen? It is going to eliminate a NaBr. जब NaBr eliminate हो जाएगा, we will get this structure. Got it? Whenever the such type of the reaction question comes, you need to apply for the ethers preparation. S into mechanism is applicable only and only when you are going to take the primary alkyl halide. Now coming to the fourth part. Fourth part says that we require the 1-methoxyethane. Yes, 1-methoxyethane. Now over here, 1-methoxy means what? That your methane, for the methoxy you are going to take the alkyl halide Br, and ethane means that you are going to take it as a sodium oxide. Now what we are going to take? CH3 CH2O Na plus Br CH3. So what we have done over here, your NaBr is going to eliminate out minus NaBr. So you are going to have the CH3 CH2O CH3. Got it? Like this you require to apply the Williamson synthesis. This finishes our question number. Our question number 11.24. The next question, that is question number 11.25. It says, illustrate the examples, the limitations of Williamson synthesis for the preparation of certain types of ethers. Now listen students, whenever the such type of the question comes, we have done that 25. Williamson synthesis, जब भी इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा, what you require to write down the general equation. General equation means what? This is the ether. Now when you are making it to react with any halide, so what it is giving you, sodium halide, it is giving you a alkyl halide plus RONA, isn't it? और अगर इस इक्वेशन को I write down, I just put the arrow in this direction, means your alkyl halide and your oxide, sodium oxide, it is going to give you a ether. Now over here, look, मैंने आप लोगों को in the starting I just told you that always we require the primary halide to get the ether. Now let's look the reaction for that. Say suppose we have taken a CH3, 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 ONA plus CH3, Br. Now over here what is going to happen? Your minus Na Br is going to get eliminate out. Now what has left with us? CH3C, CH3, CH3, O, CH3. This is being left. Now it means that we are getting a ether when we have taken a primary alkyl halide. Now over here, say suppose I do not take the primary alkyl halide, but I take the tertiary alkyl halide like CH3, C, Br, CH3 and CH3. This is my tertiary alkyl halide. And what I have done, the reverse condition I have done, that is I am taking the CH3ONA. Now when you are going to provide a heat over here, it is not going to give you a ether, but it is going to give you a alkene over here. Means what is happening over here, that this particular CH3ONA, it is being strong base in nature. Due to its strong basic nature, what is going to happen over here? Here elimination reaction is going to take place. Means hydrohalogenation is going to occur over here, due to which we are not going to obtain with the your ethers, but we are going to have the over here your alkenes. Got it this reaction? Question number 25 अगर आता है तो in the form of the limitations what you need to write down? पहले you need to write down the general equation, then show the equation with the primary halide and then make out for the tertiary. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question, question number 11.26. Now looking the question number 11.26, it says how is 1 propoxypropane synthesized from propane 1 all? Write the mechanism of the reaction. Now again it is what कि आपको क्या करना है, you are preparing a propoxypropane, means you are preparing a ether from the alcohol. अब पहले हम इसकी रिएक्शन देख लेते हैं that how you are required to make a propoxy. आपको क्या क्या चाहिए, what will be your requirement for making a 1 propoxypropane. उसके बाद we are going to come to the your alcohol. Okay. Now in this particular we require CH3, CH2, CH2, ONA plus CH3, CH2, CH2, Br, and you are going to get the CH3, CH2, CH2, O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So we require with the CH3, so your sodium propoxide and your propane bromide. Okay, this we require over here. Now इन्हें बनाने के लिए over here what we required, let's look that. अगर if you want this particular product, what all materials you require? So what we do, alcohols prepare we require, because it is saying that you need to make it from the 1 propanol. Now over here what we have taken a propanol. Propanol ko when you are going to make it react with the sodium, what is going to happen over here? CH3, CH2, CH2O, Na. It is going to convert into this particular plus half H2O is going to liberate. Now what we require? We require a bromide. Now always remember, it is not necessary that you require a bromide over here. You can take a chloride also, any whatever you want you can take over here. So what we have then, अब हमें अल्कोहल को कन्वर्ट करना है into a corresponding halide. So we have taken the alcohol CH3 CH2 CH2 OH plus I am taking the SOCl2 over here. Got it? SOCl2 when I am taking over here, so SO2 will liberate and HCl will liberate. Besides this, what is we are going to obtain? CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. This we are going to obtain over here. So what will be your final reaction? Your final reaction will be what? CH3, CH2, CH2, ONA plus CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, because I have taken the SOCl2, that's why Cl is coming. Now, why I have taken a SOCl2 to prepare a halide? Because if you remember, I told you that this is the best method to prepare your alkyl halide with the alcohols. Why? Because the two byproducts which we are getting, that is your SO2 and HCl, they are in the gaseous state. So they just get evaporate. We do not need to apply the much effort to separate them. Now what is going to happen over here? Minus NaCl. So it gives us a CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Got it, students? With this, we finish the question number 11.6. Now, the next question, that is your question number 11.7. It says that preparation of ethers by acid dehydration of secondary or tertiary alcohols is not a suitable method. Give reason. So let's look why it is so. I have taken the CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Okay, इसके two molecules I just take. It is what? It is your primary alcohol. Now, what it is saying? It is saying acid dehydration means concentrated H2SO4 you require and the temperature condition 140 degrees Celsius. So, if this condition temperature, what is going to happen? Your water molecule is going to eliminate out. When the water molecule is going to eliminate out, you are obtained with what? You are going to obtain with the CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Got it? Now say suppose we take the secondary alcohol. हमने secondary alcohol ले लिया. That is your CH3, CH, CH3, OH plus CH3, CH, CH3, OH in the presence of the concentrated H2SO4, same conditions will remain. Now over here what is going to happen? Your H2 molecule is going to eliminate out. Now when H2 molecule is going to eliminate out, we will get the 2CH3C double bond CH2 plus CH3 CHO, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Now over here what we have obtained? We have obtained the alkene as well as the ether also. But we say that this alkene is going to be a major product and this ether is going to be a minor product. Can anyone give the reason for this? Anyone? Anyone who want to try for the reason ki why we have got the ether as the minor product and alkene as a major product?
मैम SN2 मैकेनिज्म फॉलो हुआ है ना इसलिए।
और कोई? Now look over here in this question. आपके पास यहाँ पे एक CH3 attached है and one CH3 is attached over here. Due to the presence of these two CH3, there will be a steric hindrance. Now, because of the steric hindrance, your ether is going to be a minor product. Got it? Similarly, when we are going to take the tertiary alcohol, when you are going to take, just tell me, try in your copies if you are going to take the tertiary alcohols. So what is going to be formed? क्या बनेगा? और what will be the major or what will be the minor? Just try out मेरे लिखने से पहले. Concentrated H2SO4 minus H2O. Yes. What will form? Tell me fast. What will form? Madhu, Garima, Harshit. Am I correct? My equation is correct, beta? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, Siddharth? Siddharth or Harshit? Who is this? अब देखो बेटा, my equation is incorrect. I am not correct. अगर आपको याद हो, when I was doing the second degree alcohol के अंदर क्या बोला था मैंने? In the second degree alcohol में I just told you people that due to the steric hindrance of these two CH3, we have got it as a minor product, isn't it? Now over here, if you look this particular reaction, अगर आप इस वाली reaction को you are going to look over here, तो यहाँ पे तो steric hindrance ज़्यादा हो गई ना. यहाँ पे तो एक CH3 ये है, एक CH3 ये है, एक ये है, एक ये है. तो over here steric hindrance is much more. Therefore we say due to the steric hindrance, this ether is not possible. यहाँ पे ईथर बनना पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सेकेंड डिग्री में बन रहा था, इट वॉज अ माइनर प्रोडक्ट ओवर देयर, बट इन द केस ऑफ द टर्शियरी अल्कोहल it is not possible that ether is going to made due to the steric hindrance. Therefore what is going to happen over here? क्या बन जाएगा? You will get the CH3C, CH3 double bond CH2. You are going to form the alkene. Got it? That is your 2-methylpropene. Is it clear to all of you? Question clear हुआ? 11.27 बेटा. yes or no?
मैम रिपीट कर दो.
Repeat कर दूं. Okay. Now look, the question says that preparation of ethers by acid dehydration of secondary or tertiary alcohol is not suitable method. Give reason. हमें question ये कह रहा है that when you are preparing a ether by the acid dehydration, आप acid लेके उसको dehydrate कर रहे हो, तो primary जो है primary alcohol जो है it is going to give you a ether, but the secondary and tertiary is not giving you the ether. Now look reason over here. I am just repeating it. When I took the primary alcohol over here, जब मैंने primary alcohol लिया, in the case of the primary alcohol, what happened that your ether got formed. यहाँ पे we got the ether, हमें यहाँ पे ether मिल गया था. But the moment I took the second degree alcohol, तो क्या हुआ that I got the combination of the alkene as well as the ether. I got both, and I told you that we got the ether in the as a minor product. हमें minor product मिला. The reason for that minor product, what I told you, कि यहाँ पे एक CH3 present है, एक CH3 यहाँ पे present है. Due to the presence of these two CH3, there was what? There was the steric hindrance. Therefore, in the case of second degree alcohol में by the acid dehydration, what is happening कि आपका ईथर तो बन रहा है, but it is becoming a minor product, बहुत कम amount में बन रहा है. The reason is your steric hindrance. But if you are going to take your tertiary alcohol, if you are going to take the tertiary alcohol, what is going to happen tertiary alcohol में, that एक CH3 यहाँ पे है, one second here, third here, fourth यहाँ पे. So because of the presence of 4 methyl groups, there is the much more steric hindrance while preparing a ether with the help of the tertiary alcohol. Therefore, ether is not possible. As a minor product also, it is not going to form. But instead of ether, what we are going to get? We are going to get the alkene when you are taking a tertiary alcohol and it is undergoing a acidic dehydration. Is that clear now? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming to the next question. The next question is your 11.28. Now, in the question number 11.28, the first part, it says, write the equation of the reaction of hydrogen iodide. Means, आपको complete question में you need to use a hydrogen iodide. In the first, it is 1-propoxypropane. Now, first of all, we should know what is 1-propoxypropane. So, it is CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH2, CH3 plus HI. Okay. Now, in this, we know that oxygen is having the lone pairs. Now, ये भी bonds हैं, everywhere there is a bond. Now what is going to happen due to this lone pair, it is going to attack the hydrogen. ये hydrogen पे attack करेंगे and your bond is going to break from here. आपका bond जो है वो यहाँ से टूट जाएगा. It is a symmetrical case, so there is no issue. It can break from here also or here also. So I have break the bond from here. So what is going to be your product? Your product is going to be a CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. क्यों? क्योंकि इस ऑक्सीजन ने हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर अटैक किया. प्लस CH3, CH2, CH2I. क्यों? क्योंकि जब यहाँ से बॉन्ड टूटा, इसके पास प्लस चार्ज आया, इसके पास माइनस चार्ज था. So your iodine got attacked over there. Got it? In the second part, Your second part says we need to make a methoxybenzene. अब methoxybenzene का मतलब क्या हो गया? Your benzene ring having a OCH3. This. It is having a lone pair plus HI. Again, what is going to happen? It is going to attack the hydrogen. So, what we will get? We will get a OH plus CH3I. एक रीजन आप यहाँ पे ये भी बता सकते हो that phenol is being formed. Reason being that we have already finished, we have already done that if this from the phenol this hydrogen is going to remove, तो आपका ये क्या बन जाएगा? It will be your phenoxide ion, and phenoxide ion is stable compared to the alkoxide ion. Got it? Therefore, these will be our product on reaction with the hydrogen iodide. Your the third part says, where is that? Benzyl ethyl ether. Now, in the case of the benzyl ethyl ether, so what will be your? 1 minute, beta. It will be CH2O, CH2, CH3. Over here we are having the lone pairs plus HI. This. Okay. So the same thing is going to happen over here. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा over here. ये जो है पूरा this CH2 attached to the benzene ring and then OCH2 CH3. Now over here the smaller group is which one? The smaller group is this one. ये छोटा वाला group है. So what is going to happen? It is going to attack on the hydrogen. तो bond कहाँ से break होगा? Bond is going to break from here. So you will get the CH2I plus CH3 CH2OH. Got it this question? कि कहाँ से bond break होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now with this we finish our question number up to 11.28. Now your homework is what? Your homework is question number 11.9, 11.10, 11.11. These 3 questions are your homework. And one more thing students, since I am giving you the 1 question or 2 question, like मैंने कल एक question तुम्हें बोला था कि इसकी reaction लिख के मुझे भेजना carboxylic acid वाली, only Madhu sended this. Like this also, previously also I gave only 1 question at that time also, only Madhu sent me this. Now your question number 7, 8, 9 means 27, 28, 29 and your 30, 31 tak I require your questions by tomorrow morning sharp 9 a.m. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just we get over our lecture over here and let's meet in our next class. Good day all of you. Wait a minute, do not leave the class till I download your attendance, students.